Watch this video to the very end to know about some amazing Android applications which you can use to consume all kinds of media. These apps provide the best media playback and have awesome interfaces for good user experience. If you're looking for the best all-in-one application for motivational and self-care talks, then an application known as Mindset is the one which provides such a function. It contains speeches from the very best of speakers when it comes to health, coming up with great ideas, the best daily routines, workouts, businesses. This application has got you covered. All the audio files in this application are available to listen for free. You have access to over 3,000 speeches from great creators. When you first install the application, you get the option to select your preferred content, and based on that, the application will push the best ones for you to listen. You can listen to single or playlists, and aside the fantastic functionality of this application, the design of the app is also amazing, making it very easy to use. The app also offers a subscription service which is optional. With that, you get to download the audio and playback offline and also access the other premium features, but I think you are good to go with the standard version of this application. So do yourself a favor and make sure you give this application a try. In my previous video, I reviewed 7 awesome music player applications that can easily replace any default music player application on your Android device or the common ones you've been using for a long time. Mocha is another super awesome free music application with an amazing theme and easy navigation feature. Aside the album of the day and artist of the day feature that this music application comes with, the overall UI is nice and decent. You can create a playlist and something called a smart list. You can edit the homepage to your preference, and the app settings is nothing you cannot deal with. When in shuffle mode, the songs you've made favorites will play more often, or you can take out some songs from the entire music list so that it does not play in shuffle mode. You can link 2 songs together so that one will play immediately after the other, also in shuffle mode, since in shuffle mode means songs are played randomly. I think this is one of the cool offline music applications. No hard settings, neither do you get complicated UI navigation. Be sure to check it out. Sometimes studying with music in the background can be of great help, and for me the best type of music for studying is lo-fi music. Lo-fi music is a kind of music with 1% of vocals and 99% of cool beats. Not the hard rock, death metal kind of beats, but the moody and simple type which will help you focus. LoFi Cloud Radio is an application that provides such awesome music housed in an amazing app user experience. I mean, you have to enjoy this type of music from a well-designed application. The app is very clean and the interface is very minimal. I'm a lover of beautiful minimal UI. Paired with such cool type of music, this application definitely qualifies to be on this list. App features and music and beats are updated weekly for you to enjoy fresh music. You can choose between AM and PM depending on the time of day, which then the application will play the beats that will either help you focus during the day or help you sleep at night. Speaking of sleeping, you can use the sleep timer option to put the music automatically off when you fall asleep listening to the music. If you are a big lover of podcasts, Podverse is a great podcast application that allows users to discover, listen to, and share podcasts. Once you search for the show you want to listen to, you have access to all the episodes of the show and then consume as much as you want. When you subscribe to any show, you get recommendations from the show anytime you relaunch the application. You can turn on the option to get notified of any new episode. You can switch between audio and podcast video to enjoy the video content as well. Although that didn't work for me, I don't know if it's a network connection issue, but I still have access to the audio form and I can listen to it anytime, anywhere. Another great podcast application is the good old Pocket Casts, which offers similar functionalities like this one. So I'll put both links in the video description. If you love consuming podcasts, then these apps have got you covered. If consuming media online is a problem for you, then consider this free open source application which you can use to download media from a huge number of supported platforms for offline playback. Seal is an application that has gained so much attention, and that's because of the fantastic download options it comes with. Once you paste the media link within the application or share the media straight with the app and tap on the download button, you get to choose which format you want to download, and from there, you also get more specific download options like download video only or audio only. You also get to choose to download in whichever quality you prefer. Again, like most applications on this list, all these features are housed by an amazing UI. You also get to see the list of downloads and the platforms you've downloaded from. If you want to know more about some super awesome music player applications, click on the card at the top right corner and also check out the end screen. Let me know which applications you also use to consume media on your Android device. Guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video, and also if you loved it, then consider subscribing to the channel for more best apps videos like this one. As always, thank you for watching.